So people ask us a lot with paint protection film, how much of my car can I protect? And the answer, of course, is all of it. Every painted surface, every smooth surface we can protect. And that's what we're doing here on this BMW X5M. We do a lot of X5s, actually. So it's Wednesday. We take you behind the scenes. We show you what's in the shop. We're going to start here in Latrobe. Obviously, we've got this X5M I'm just talking about. You can see Max is about to install this door right now. The camera makes him shy. A lot of times after PPF, and I'm not sure on this vehicle if we're doing that, we also do a ceramic coating on top, so you can still get those awesome benefits of the coating. We're kind of light here because we're so busy in Gibsonia that some of our guys are up there this week, and we're doing a lot of commercial projects outside of the shop. So Dean took Steve from our PPF bay to go do some big projects. We've got a Bronco right here. This one's getting, or just got, our premium ceramic coating, so that's an 8-year ceramic coating from Expel. And behind that is a Harley-Davidson trike that also got a premium coating. And Caleb is in the wash bay prepping a car, or I'm sorry, this is an annual inspection. So we coated this at least a year ago. And over here, Terrell's tinting a GTI. These cars are kind of challenging to tint. No challenge for Terrell, of course. He's been here forever. We have a beautiful day in Pennsylvania, finally. As John likes to say, the best weather. When it is good, I'll give him that. Down here we did a Ram 3500. This one I think got the bedsides protected with PPF. Yeah, so we did this entire dolly bedside. Of course, we always one piece it. There's no seams anywhere. We have a Shelby GT500. I love these things, especially with the carbon wheels. This one got an annual inspection. Beside that, we have Porsche 911. You guys have seen this one for a few weeks. Paint's curing after the body shop before we do some PPF on it. And then this Mustang was here for an annual inspection as well. Probably the coolest car here this week is this Rolls-Royce Cullinan. We did stealth on the top section only. So it's kind of a subtle look, but it looks really cool. And I love the interior on this thing. It's orange. Let's see what's happening in Gibsonia. They are crushed.
First you'll see here is we have a Ford F450 Platinum Dolly. We had the opportunity to do some PPF for this car in the past. We're gonna do some repair on some imperfections that the owner has created, and then we're gonna also do ceramic coating. So Mark definitely has his work cut out for him on this one. I think we talked about this one before. This is the Camaro Panther Edition. It's still here, waiting on a decal from the customer. When we do the full wrap. So this is a full wrap. We did tint, and then we're gonna ceramic coat it. The Lexus GX 460. This is now the third car he's brought to us. Understands and appreciates the benefits of the ceramic coating and what it offers for the car. Mark is working on Porsche 930, personal favorite. I believe this to be ice green. In 1986, this was a paint to sample car. So we're gonna do some paint correction and ceramic coating for it, brighten it up. It's a gorgeous car, absolutely gorgeous. Camaro Coupe, perfect 6-speed car that we are doing some PPF repair, replacement, and then we did a tint on sunroof. We do that, you know, to block out all that UV and keep it a little bit cooler in the car. Ian here, I'm gonna skip over, is working on tint for a 86 or 87 Monte Carlo SS. Pretty cool car, very clean. Good story here. This is a AMG C43 car. Customer brought it into us. We did full front clip on this previously, but as you can see, we're taking some film off. The reason why we're taking film off is because we had an accident. Good thing that this film was here, because then there would be paint repair. So I think it's gonna turn out really well. And while it was here, we found a scratch on the hood. So we're gonna take that off and do film there to keep this thing nice and shiny and on its way and keep it protected. Maserati, yeah, we did a ceramic coating on this Maserati, so it's gonna make it look nice, make sure it's performing well. We have a red Tesla, full wrap, tint, and you got it, ceramic coating. We have a white C8 Corvette that is getting a full wrap and ceramic coating. We have Aaron back here we stole from Latrobe, working on this S5 that we're doing, you guessed it, full wrap, coating, and we did tint earlier. Steve's back here, and Austin's back here too, getting it done. This is like the Oprah of PPF. Everyone gets a wrap today. Rivian R1S, full wrap, ceramic coating, tint, and our first Seawolf Z06. And you guessed it, full wrap, PPF, coating, and tint. So let's take it back to Miami, see what they got going on. Thanks, guys.
Happy Wednesday, everyone. Let's have a look inside and see what Alfredo and Amari got cooking up this week.
All right, and in the prep area today, we have this 2023 F-150 Tremor Edition. Customer dropped off this vehicle. He's going to be doing a full front protection He did add the doors, the runners, and the side of the beds in the rear. We're also going to be tinting the front of this car, the windshield, should I say, 70% with Expel ceramic, of course. Pretty nice truck here. Over here we have Alfredo doing a paint correction on this 1997 Toyota Century.
What's going on, guys? Dean and Steve here are out at Indian Lake today working on this A-frame window behind me. So the house is getting cooked by the sun first thing in the morning and as the sun sets in the afternoon. So they're going with Clearview Plus 70 to cut down on the heat while not losing that beautiful view out onto the lake. See you next week.
As always, thank you guys very much for checking in. That's it for what's in the shop this week. Tune in next week and make sure you check out some of our other videos about ceramic coatings.